Hey, are you sick and tired of your financial situation? Are you not on track to hit your retirement goals? I don't know, maybe you're financially free, but you're still trading your time for money. If that's you, just take a quick minute and watch this short video. My name is Patrick Franz, and nowadays I'm a professional investor, coach, podcast host, and fund manager, living my dream life and playing golf at the country club as often as possible when I'm not spending valuable time with my beautiful wife and daughter. But it hasn't always been this way. For over 20 years, I've been involved in everything from raising venture capital, multi-level marketing, launching startup companies, and even real estate, but I never did find the magic formula for financial success. My struggles were not caused by a lack of hope and effort, but everything always seemed to end up at a dead end. It has only been since 2019, when I found out about mortgage note investing, that I've been able to achieve financial freedom. Now that I've helped hundreds of people gain their financial freedom by helping them get into the lucrative world of note investing, and now I'm excited to help you change your life as well. If you like what you hear so far, let me take another minute of your time to tell you the 3 reasons why I believe note investing is so much better than traditional real estate investing, stocks, or many other options you may be more familiar with. See, number 1 is that the investment is backed by collateral. Hard real estate, but you don't have the ownership of the real estate, so you don't have to worry about those terrible T's like the tenants and the toilets and the termites. I mean, just think about it. Banks and hedge funds don't flip houses or act as landlords. They're in the money business. They don't worry about stuffed up toilets or leaky roofs, they just collect checks. See, number 2 is a steady yield or return on the investment. You see, no matter what happens in the stock market, the real estate market, or the crypto market, homeowners still need to make their mortgage payments to the bank each month, or else. As a note investor, you become the bank and collect monthly mortgage payments while having the security and peace of mind that the physical real estate is your collateral. And number 3 is monthly mailbox money. It's that passive cash flow thing that everybody keeps talking about. Well, I'm going to tell you this, even in hard times, most homeowners tend to pay their mortgage payments. So the truth is, it's nice to know that the mortgage payment is going to hit your bank account like clockwork every single month, just like rent payments would, but without dealing with all of the headaches and responsibility. Of course, that cash flow can be used to compound into other investments or to supplement one's lifestyle or retirement income. See, in my opinion, all investors need to own mortgage notes in their portfolios, or they're all missing out on one of the best investment opportunities ever created. Now, you might be thinking, hey, this sounds good, but I don't have any investable capital, okay? Well, what if I told you you can build a massive cash flowing portfolio that can completely change your life and financial future with little or no money of your own? That's right. I will teach you how to copy the exact same formula that my mentor, myself, and many others have used to create financial freedom by leveraging other people's money. I mean, after all, that's exactly what the bank does, right? And the wealthy fund managers. Now, I'm serious when I say that note investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but more like a get-rich-guaranteed plan. See, a plan that my mentor before me, myself, and many others have been learning and duplicating, thus changing our lives and financial futures faster than you can ever imagine. So if you're ready to get in on a clear and proven path to financial freedom so that you can drastically change your life and financial future, this is exactly what you've been searching for. Just imagine a life where you are making plenty of money and have the time and freedom to enjoy it. Maybe you've had enough and you're just ready for a change like I was ready for back in 2009. Well, I'm living proof that note investing can take anyone from a 10 to 12 hour a day grind to a dreamy life all fueled by passive cash flow. Now, the next 3 years are going to go by very quickly, no matter what. We all know that's a fact. And if we keep doing exactly what we're doing for the next 3 years, we'll all end up in the same exact spot we're in now. That's just fact. Why not take a new adventure down a fresh path to financial freedom so that 36 months from now, you can be in a totally different place? Again, I'm Patrick Franz, and I would be honored to help you achieve your financial freedom. All you have to do is click the link you see here around this video, and you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. And all you have to do is enter in your name and your email address to register to access the 100% free video training, no strings attached. It's that simple. So So if you're ready to say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and get yourself out of the never-ending rat race, okay? And if you want to set yourself on an easier and faster path to retirement, then go ahead, click the link below and register. It's totally free to join my free video training on how you can become financially free, just like I am.